Pagkatapos ng mga laro kahapon, the PLDT high-speed hitters are the only undefeated team in the PVL All-Filipino Conference for this year. And high-key, you start to see why they didn't make so many adjustments dun sa lineup nila. It's because they know that they are capable of performing like this. PVL recap muna tayo. It is the PLDT high-speed hitters winning 3-1 over the Akari Chargers. There were a total of 5 different players scoring in double figures para sa kanila dun sa laro nila kahapon. And not only that, kasi kahit ganun pa man, ang best player of the game yesterday was Kath Arado, who delivered 26 excellent. Wait, let me check on that. Yup, correct. 26. So to think that everything has been covered for them so far, like really well, babalik na lang din ako dun sa statement ni Ate Kim Fajardo na yung skills kasi yun yung natuturo eh. Pero yung chemistry, yun yung mahihirapan ka talagang i-develop, lalo na pag bago yung mga players. Kasi kailangan mo sanayin yung sarili mo around them, which I felt like they didn't need to adjust that much kasi kahit yung iba sa kanila bago sa PLDT, some of them played together in F2, maybe even in Lasal. So yung amuyan nila sa loob ng court, sobrang hindi mo na kailangan talagang i-adjust ng sobra. Sadly, para sa Akari, medyo masasakit yung mga talo nila because they've been getting some sets off of their opponents, just not enough to make it theirs. They're still looking for their very first win this conference and they're hoping that they could still make it there para mas maganda naman lalo yung standings nila before the half of this conference.